Hey, what's up, guys? This is JY Smart Tech here again, and today I'll be explaining to you guys about CORS and why it's important, when and how it is used, and the functions of CORS. So to start off, CORS is a cross-origin resource sharing, which is a mechanism that uses additional HTTP headers to tell browsers to give web applications running at one origin access to selected resources from a different origin. A web application executes a cross-origin HTTP request when it requests a resource that has a different origin, which is a domain, protocol, or port from its own. So basically, this means that if you check out this diagram right here, the main request is shown, which defines the origin right here. The main request defines origin. So it's get, which is the main page, and it is sending it to the web server domain A. These two right here, which is get layout, CSS, and get image PNG, are the same origin requests, which are pretty much always allowed. And these two are sending it to the web server domain A as well. On the other hand, these two right here are cross-origin requests, which are controlled by CORS. And if you see right here, it's get image PNG, get web font EOT, and these two are sending it to web server domain B. The CORS mechanism supports securing the cross-origin requests and data transfers between browsers and servers. So basically, modern browsers use CORS and APIs such as the XML HTTP requests right here, or fetch to mitigate the risks of the cross-origin HTTP requests. And a little on the functional overview. The cross-origin resource sharing standard works by adding new HTTP headers that let servers describe which origins are permitted to read that information from a web browser. Furthermore, for secure reasons, browsers restrict cross-origin HTTP requests initiated from scripts. For example, the XML HTTP request that we've seen previously and the fetch API follow the same origin policy. This basically means a web app using APIs can only request resources from the same unless the response from other origins include the right CORS headers. So now we can move on to why CORS is important. So basically, CORS is important for everyone, which says right here, but it's more important for web administrators, server developers, and front-end developers. CORS is important because while modern browsers handle the client side of cross-origin sharing, CORS have server handle the new requests and the response headers. Also, CORS can enable cross-site HTTP requests for the invocation of the XML HTTP requests or fetch APIs, the web fonts, the WebGL textures, the images, video frames drawn to canvas using the draw image shown right here. And there's also the CSS shapes for the images. So this was the requests that use CORS. And finally, here are the examples of access control scenarios. All these examples use XML HTTP requests able to make cross-site requests in any supporting browser. And here are the simple requests right here that you can see. And it says that some requests don't trigger a CORS pre-flight. And those are called simple requests in the article. And a simple request is one that meets all the following conditions. And the allowed methods are shown right here. So for example, we have get, head, and post. And we have all these different examples as well. Oh, this is important. The only allowed values for the const type header are these three: application, multi-part form data, text and plain. And yep, so this was a basic walkthrough of what CORS was, why it's important, when and how it is used, and the functions of CORS. So thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe to JY Smart Tech. Thank you.